Okay, so I'm at research questions. I think you had something like purpose of study, which you probably shouldn't have. I just put it up here. It's good to have the purpose, but that it goes in the sort of background and rationale section. And then you just list the questions here. I revised the questions looking at how does the self-paced module with impact how's a module with Gen AI coaching impact higher education faculty awareness? I think those are what you are examining. And then how does education impact psychological safety? Now, you did have a question about what is faculty awareness, but I'm not entirely sure that is backed. I mean, you'll get that anyway. Um, I'm not sure if we should add that question or not, um, but we might. And then positionality, you need to use the document that guides you to do positionality. Usually that's about a page and a half or 2 pages long, not just a paragraph here. In terms of the significance, the practical significance, uh, you, I think it's reasonably well done. The theoretical contribution isn't at clear. You're following, I guess it's the chat bots that you might add to the theory in terms of coaching, but I'm not sure it's a theoretical contribution. So you have to think that through. You may not have a theoretical contribution, um, but you might want to think on that. In terms of scope and limitations, if you go back to the introduction guidelines, which you probably downloaded, I've edited them. And so the scope and limitations of the study now goes in the methods section. And then you've got your conclusion here. They talked about going to the next chapter, but you don't need to know that. Everybody knows there's a next chapter when they're reading these things.